Welcome. If you're tired of spam messages cluttering your Gmail inbox, this video is for you. Today, I'm going to show you how to delete spam messages from your Gmail account on your PC. With the latest update, it's easier than ever to clear out those unwanted emails and keep your inbox clean. Let's get started. First, open gmail.com on your browser. If you're not already signed in, enter your credentials to log in to your Gmail account. Once you're in, look over at the left side menu, where you'll see various folders like Inbox, Sent, and Drafts. Scroll down a little bit, and you should see a section called Spam. Click on the Spam label, to access all the spam messages that have been filtered into this folder. Now that you're in the Spam folder, you'll see a list of all the unwanted emails. Select the emails you want to delete. You can click on the small checkbox next to each email, or if you want to select all the emails on the page, simply click the checkbox at the top left corner to select them all at once. Once you've selected the spam messages, it's time to get rid of them for good. At the top of the page, you'll see an option that says, Delete Forever. Click on this button, and all of the selected spam emails will be permanently removed from your Gmail account. That's it. You've now cleared out your spam folder and deleted the messages for good. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more useful tips.